Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm buying in the Unilever in the market level now around 2674. I just bought it. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay. So plan to keep the target up to 8 or 10 points as the stock price is high here. So the stock is almost about 2500 rupees. So currently trading around 2676 as of now. So let's try to get 8 to 10 points as a target. So I have selected this stock and this trade according to my strategy and my studies. Okay, so according to my view, this stock is having a good support level and this stock can perform today is what I'm guessing. So at least I'm guessing it will go almost 1% up from here according to my view, and also this stock is at a good buyer's level. Okay, and also you can see that this stock has opened today at 2671 and it is still near the range of opening price. So let's see how the stock will perform today. Okay, and also if you're new to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel to see the daily live trades and also to get the educational video about stock market trading. Okay, and also guys, if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. So to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a good trading setup. Okay, so in my course I'll teach you all of the necessary things to make constant profit. So I'll teach you the strategies with no indicators, which are simple and accurate to follow. Okay, and no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance. The goal of our course is to make you as a profitable trader. So once you join us, you will get the daily live market support as well. That is the live trade what you're seeing. You will be getting the same trades as well once you join us. So I'll be guiding you guys personally. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So you will be getting the same trades and you can see the accuracy. And also once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support as well. So yes, it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. So guys, yes, as you guys can see now the stock is trading around 2684 now. Okay, so yes, it has come up. So there was a quick movement here. So yes, as the stock price is about 2000 rupees, we can expect 5 to 6 points of movement up and down very easily and bit quicker as well as the stock price is high. So if the stock price is high, we will always find a high volatility and a good movement in those kind of stocks. And only in this kind of stocks you will be able to get like 10 points, 15 points target with fast movements. Okay, so anyway, let's wait for some time. So trading around 2683 now. Okay, we are almost getting closer to the target. Let's wait and see. Okay, so let's wait for the target. And so yes, if you guys can see now, it has touched 2686 now. So yes, 2687 is a new high what it has made. So 2686 has been touched. So let's wait for a few minutes and see how it will perform. Okay, and we are almost getting closer to the target and I shall exit now. Okay, so as you guys can see, the stock has made a high of 2695 as of now. Yes, it has went up. Okay, so we have taken the exit here. So I almost booked almost 10 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of in the Unilever. So if you guys wish to earn constant profit like this and want to learn all the knowledge of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like, so guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.